structure on the inside. Your exhaust pipe goes through it. And basically what it does is it takes really nasty sort of chemicals that would normally get put into the environment, and it makes them into not as bad chemicals. So it is a part of a chemical reaction that changes the exhaust of your car into things like carbon dioxide, which aren't as bad for the environment. They're still bad, still carbon dioxide, but it changes them into less bad things. So almost all new cars have it if they're gas powered. They'll have several catalytic converters full of really expensive metals like platinum and things like that, because platinum is a good catalyst when it comes to exhaust on your car. That's it, guys, for that section. It's not very long. So generally, the questions in this particular section aren't really challenging as long as you can remember the things that will speed up or slow down reactions. So you have, if I jump back here, you have temperature, you have concentration, you have surface area, and you have catalysts and inhibitors. And just remember, surface area and concentration are really closely related. If we dissolve something in water, then we talk about concentration. If we're talking about just a solid, then we can be talking about surface area. Can you go back to concentration? Yes, I can go back to concentration. There you go. When would I like the learning guide for this to be done? I know we kind of started slowly and then we did that Unit 4 stuff for a long time. And I want that Unit 4 stuff done for tomorrow, I think I said. I said Tuesday or Wednesday this week, so if you get it in for tomorrow, that'd be great. If you can get this Unit 6 stuff done by Friday, or let's go with Monday. I'm not going to mark it over the weekend anyways. So if you can get Unit 6 in by Monday, we'll start Unit 5 on Thursday. So again, Unit 4 stuff, it's due tomorrow. If you can get it scanned and submitted online, perfect. If you want to drop it off, that's fine. Unit 6, which we just did right now in one day. Unit 6 will be due on Monday next week. That'll give you plenty of time. If you want to hand it in before then, that's perfect. If you want to bring them both in at the same time, like Abby is suggesting, that would be a good idea as well. And then we're going to start Unit 5, which is a little bit longer. And we'll spend probably all of the remainder of this week and next week on it. So that's Unit 5. And that's the end of chemistry. So chemistry is Units 4, 5, and 6. So we've done 4 and 6. We have 5. And then Unit 7 is actually on physics, but it kind of looks like chemistry. So some of you may think it's chemistry. We'll be talking about elements and things like that. Yeah, so great question, Anna. Can we go over the learning guide next day? Of course. If you guys have questions next day with respect to the learning guide, and I know the answers are there, Abby, which is great to check, but if you get something wrong, it's not going to tell you how. So I'll be happy to go through a bunch of the balancing questions or the balancing or the types of reaction stuff or speeding up or slowing down. Anything from the learning guide I can go through next day if you have questions, so don't think you have to have it done right away. And that's that. Does anybody have any questions before we take off for the day? That's Unit 6. Normally we'd probably go for another 20 minutes or so, but you guys have some time to go through the questions. And then we can just meet next day if you have anything that comes up, and we can go through that. Could you end us the notes of the midterm? Send us the notes of the midterm, like your solutions? Is that what you're asking for? Taylor, if you want me to scan your midterm for you and send it off, let me know, and I will do that. But you need to send me a message in Moodle, because if you all send me a message right now, I'm going to go to my office and I won't see it. So if you want me to send your midterm to you, perfect, thanks Taylor, and you want to go over anything off the midterm, I'd be happy to do that next day as well. So just send me a message in Moodle, and that way I'll know I can fire it off to you if you're interested. And then we can go over anything that might have come up. But if not, we'll end her there. So thanks very much, guys. Hope you guys have a great afternoon. A reminder that we have the Bumbershoot drama thing tomorrow. I don't have a whole lot of knowledge of what it's about, but it is from 12:15 to 2, and that's just right down by our building on Cannery Lane. It's like a drama acting company thing there. So if you're interested in that, that's tomorrow. And then we do have golf again on Friday. So just a heads up, and get out and enjoy the sunshine. We'll see you guys on Thursday. Thanks.